Hey, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And in today's video, I want to dive deeper into the second habit that I shared a couple weeks ago on there's three habits that I started doing. I learned this from some of the most successful people in the world, and I started doing them myself. I started incorporating these habits into my daily routine, and I felt the benefits of it, and I felt very different. All right, so let's jump into the number two. So the first one was gratitude. We dove in deeper into that last time. So now in this video, I want to dive in deeper into the second one, which is exercise. So I want you to try this because this is one habit that I started doing in the morning. I exercise, I work out now in the morning. Okay, now we all know when you search in Google, do your research, there's a lot of benefits that are associated with benefits that are associated with exercise. Most basic is it improves your muscle strength, improves your bone strength, improves your immune system, it decreases the weight, improves circulation. But it's not only peripheral, it improves circulation to the brain also. So it improves your brain function, improves your focus, your attention. It helps you be able to make better decisions if you have more focus and more attention. And then also it helps you, I think I mentioned, it boosts the immune system. It helps you sleep better because when you work out, you're more tired, you can sleep better. Helps you be happier because working out exercise makes the body produce endorphins, which makes you happier. So that's very important. And also it helps when you're happier, decreases anxiety and depression. When you combine all these together, it will help you improve your lifespan. It will make you healthier and you live longer. But not only that, also, if you're performing better, it helps you at work, helps you become more successful at your job, and it's related to making more money also. So you see, exercise is not only just getting stronger and it's not only physical there. Hey, exercise can make you more money. So if that's something you want, if you want to be, if you want to make more money, be more successful, definitely add exercise into your habit. And this is the thing. We know all these benefits from exercise, right? A lot of people know that. Then how come a lot of people still don't work out? How come a lot of people still don't exercise? And this is because then we have a lot of excuses not to do it. For example, I used to not exercise also. There was a period of time I went from being very active. I did, sports, martial arts, like almost on a daily basis, working out too. For several years, I didn't work out. I got in a poor shape. Why? It's because life happens. Just like everybody else, we have a lot of reasons why we don't have time to exercise. And I used to work out later in the day, end of the day, because one, I'm not a morning person. Okay, so I just can't get up early enough to work out. And also, I saw studies have shown that the best time to exercise is actually early evening. So I said, you know what, if that's the case, I want to exercise during the best time when to do it, which is early evening. So the body's warmed up already. I don't have to warm up as much, especially during winter time. But you know what? I was not able to maintain it because, well, end of the day, I have a lot of excuses. I have to rush home to see my son. I have to finish some work. I have a stressful day. I'm tired already. All these things. So I was not able to do it consistently. And when I saw that, some of these successful people in the world, they do it in the morning. It's like, you know what? Let me try it. And it does make sense because when I wake up in the morning, I have my gratitude, wash my face, do that, brush my teeth, and then I work out already. Now, when you're working out, it doesn't have to be an hour workout. Not like, sometimes you think, oh, it has to be an hour, I have to do this. No, it doesn't have to be. Depending on your program that you're doing, my program is only 20, 25 minutes, every day, right? And I can tell you, consistency is key there. You do it consistently, you're gonna see the benefits. You're gonna see the results. I am in better shape now, in better health now. I look better now. I feel better now, and mentally also, not only physically. So consistency is key. And I'm not lifting heavy weights or anything, all right? And I do it just at home. So doing it in the morning makes more sense for me now. The thing is, I had to just sleep earlier. I had to wake up a little earlier to make time for that. But because in the morning, there is less reason. Basically, there's no reason for me not to do it. Nothing has happened yet. I cannot say I'm rushing to do this, rushing to that. As long as my alarm hits, I wake up, then I get the time to do it already. There's less reason for you to cop out. There's less reason for you not to do it. And that's why I like doing it in the morning. And then also, when you have your blood flowing already, it wakes you up physically. I feel like I can move fast. I'm ready for whatever is gonna happen in the day. And even more importantly, my focus is better. My attention is better. I can make better decisions when I work out in the morning because the blood is flowing there. So it's like my mind is just sharper. And that's when I do things, some of the more, I guess, things that needs a lot of thought, in the morning, more important decisions, I make that in the morning after the workout. All right. And for me, that's very, the results there is the effect is really crazy. I would want you to try that and you can see that for yourself. Okay, so I want you to try doing the exercise. If you can't do it in the morning, then at least exercise. You'll see the benefits still, but I recommend doing that in the morning. It gets your day starting right. It gets your mind, your body set ready for the day. And how you start the day, that's how the rest of the day will go. All right, so I want you to try that, and I would love to know. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to know what you think and how you feel. What are the results that come out for you? You see the same. It's gonna, like what I experience, it's gonna be really positive. So try that, and please share this with people you know, with your friends and loved ones, because it will be very helpful for them also. Remember, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so you can help other people. You can help transform people's lives, and you can help them be healthier, not only physically, but emotionally as well. All right? So definitely I would love to hear what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.